Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and welcome if you're new on here. It's Daphne here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing an abs workout. These are like my top 5 exercises at the moment. I don't actually train abs that often. I feel like if you do compound exercises, your deadlift, your squats, actually works your core as well. So these are the exercises that I normally do, guys, when I'm waiting for somebody to finish their sets, or I'm waiting for the person I'm going to the gym with to do whatever they need to do, and I'll finish my workout and I'm like, okay fine, cool, what to do? And I'm like, okay fine, cool, train abs. So this is how this workout is gonna go, guys. We're gonna do 3 to 4 rounds and we're gonna do 5 exercises, guys. Make sure you're having little to no rest in between your exercises, and you're spending about 45 minutes to a minute between your rounds, and you can smash this in 10 minutes. So let's head straight into the video.